What I do in my career did not exist when I graduated. And that's one of the genius things about the program as we have it, is that it really, what we learn here is how to think and how to question, how to form our own thoughts about what's going on in the world. And so that means that when the world changes, and it's changing just at, sort of lightning speed at the moment, we can be prepared for that. We can, actually help lead that, if you think about it. So I work in the technology industry. I kind of fell out of St. John's into telecommunications in the mid-'80s, and then from there got into the internet in its very earliest days. And today I run a startup. It's a technology company. We have a platform that helps people invest in what are called micro or small venture capital funds. And what's cool about it is our funds are all over the country, and we could expand to being all over the world. And they invest in people who are focusing on ways to transform businesses, communities, et cetera, with technology that helps people's lives. And that's what we're excited about.